Welcome back to Above the Influence. Of course, it is your boy Jay. We're here with another reaction video. This time, Peter Gabriel, Sledgehammer. Now, I appreciate all the recommendations. This is music I've never heard of before, people I've never heard of before. So when I saw this one, I'm like, okay, the title looks interesting. So without further ado, let's dive into it. What's that? That's what that is. Okay. Okay. That snare though. Verb they put on it. Look at that bass line.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an airplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me.
Wow.
I'll be anything you need.
That bass line is
Could
so
have a
funky.
big dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be the sledgehammer. Why
tough.
don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer.
It'd be Sledgehammer.
This will be my testimony. Yeah.
This is a fun video.
Show me around your fruit cage. 'Cause I will.
The way they got that bass line driving, that snare driving, and them horns coming in, boy. Ooh, this is one of them ones. All right, let's get back into it.
Be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage. Where the fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be
His voice kind of reminds me of
your
like
sledgehammer.
Phil Collins a little bit.
Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer.
Called Sledgehammer.
This will be my testimony. I'm your sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it. Sledge.
The flu came back. Chicken dance solo, huh? My chicken getting off though.
This is the new stuff. I go dance singing. Won't you show for me?
He getting off.
I will show for you. Show for me. I will show for you. Yeah, 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 yeah.
video was too much fun. Oh, I heard a little beat in the background. Whoever directed this one had to be like mad creative, like to have all that type of imagery in the video. That's crazy. So was okay? So Peter Gabriel is the singer, of course, but did he have a band, or was it just like he's a solo act and they gave him music, or what's the story with that guy? Because his voice is crazy, he's extremely creative, lyrics is crazy, and the music is for sure crazy. So I appreciate the recommendation. Again, if you guys have any more recommendations, leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear from y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching. This is Above the Influence. Your boy Jay. Till next time.